Hey, good morning, everyone. This is the Low Tech Redneck. I just wanted to let you guys know that if you'd like, you can subscribe and give me likes. That way, I get nothing because I don't get paid for this. But hey, why not? My wife picked up this Samsung refrigerator from our stepdaughter. The freezer side works fine, uh, but the refrigerator side does not work at all. So we're thinking it may be iced up behind that panel. I've already taken all the drawers out and the climate control drawer that plugs into the bulkhead. It looks like somebody has taken this apart before because it's missing a couple of screws. So I'm going to continue on trying to get this sucker out of here. Taking the panels off. I don't know if my batteries just died or not, but taking the panels out. This is a temperature controlled door, or drawer should I say. I had to disconnect it from the bulkhead. Okay, I don't think I have to go down any further than that. Let me find my screwdriver, because I'm pretty sure it's got Phillips head screws in there. Okay, I only see 2 screw holes, so I'm hoping that it's only kept in by 2. Oh yeah, it's missing a lot of screws. This one's not even screwed in. I gotta get some needle nose pliers to get that out of there. Okay, yeah. cat sticking his paw through the thing. There's a giant block of ice back there. As soon as I can figure out how to disconnect that last top, right on the bottom. I like to take pictures of things before I take them apart, that way I know how to put them back together. Wifey's home. Okay, there's no ice on the panel. But as you can see, that sucker is frozen solid. Let's see if I can get some light in there. Look at that, it's frozen solid. I like them apples, huh? So I'm gonna defrost this ice and see if I can get everything to work. Alright guys, I'll when I get it all put back together, I'll turn it back on, see what we can do. Alright, bye. Got one of my studio lights. These suckers do put out quite a bit of heat, so I'm using them as a defrosting tool. Hopefully it'll work. Yeah, this is what the inside of the refrigerator panel looks like. There was no ice on this thing, so everything looks clear of ice, so I don't have to worry about that. The motor or not the motor, but the fan turns good, so hopefully this sucker will spark up back when I get this ice gone. This is the model RS267 Lash, L-A-S-H. Cooling problems, obviously, because that thing there, the condenser coil is just loaded with about 3 inches of ice all the way around it. Yeah. I'm using my studio lights from my studio to melt the ice, but it is taking forever. Alright, it's been roughly 7-8 hours since I left for work. I am home from work. All the ice is gone. Now I'm going to wipe that down, get rid of some of the dirt and debris, and put it back together, and hopefully it works. the ceiling fan there. So I took this picture before I took all the wires out, so I remember which one went where. So I know that the blue one goes on the bottom, or the white one goes on the bottom, and the blue one goes on the top. There's those two and the third one there. This one here came off, and those should be the only ones. Now when I was taking those screws out, I noticed that there basically wasn't any screws. So I had to go to my local Ace Hardware and buy some screws that looked close to the one screw that was actually in there. So I'm hoping that it works. Going. Alright, it is now back together 100%. I'm fixing to plug it in. We were able to get that drawer, middle drawer put back in. Keep your fingers and toes crossed. Can't move.
get it out from underneath that fucking thing.
Please don't electrocute me. Let it go for about an hour. See what it does. Going down slowly but surely. Alright guys, it's the next day. And it's set exactly where I set the temperature. So before you go buying parts you don't need, like I did, take that panel off, make sure there isn't a big old block of ice back there. Save you a whole lot of trouble, a whole lot of money. Alright guys, I will see y'all later. Good day.